Welcome back! For day 3 of Craftsmas, we'll be making a doll-sized Christmas tree. Grab that green construction paper, it's go time! The first thing we need is to make the base of the tree, which is a cone shape. Pre-curl a page of paper on the edge of the table to help it roll into position. Then, with your doll as your guide for height, roll the paper into a cone and glue it in place. Cut off the excess and trim the paper until the cone stands up evenly on the table. Take another large piece of colored paper and fold it into eighths. Then cut these strips out. Next, we need to trim all those pine needles. To expedite the process, fold your strips in half a couple times and then make several cuts down one side of the paper. I think it looks better if the cuts are a little choppy and uneven. Once you've prepared all the branches, bring over the craft glue. Add glue to the first strip, then starting about 2 centimeters up from the bottom of the cone, coil the strips around the base. My original plan was to spiral up the tree with one continuous strip, but it turns out gluing shorter strips on helps them lay down flatter. Continue gluing the foliage to the cone until you've reached the tippy top of the tree. Ta-da! Tree cone! Once it's thoroughly dried, rough up the branches and bend them upward to add volume to the tree. And now we decorate! Golden pipe cleaner makes excellent tinsel. And 8mm puffballs make the ornaments. No Christmas tree is complete without a star on top, of course. You could use miniature bows, little decorations from the scrapbooking section, or even more of the pipe cleaner to make a star. Use a round object to draw a circle onto a piece of felt, cut it out, and place the tree on top. I use them in the background for this shot, but of course if you have fairy lights, you know those would look great wrapped around the tree too. And I'll be the first to admit my tree turned out a little bit skinny, but I still love it. Oh, Christmas tree, no living room is complete without you. See you again tomorrow. Annyeong!